Number 1. 1963 Ford Thunderbird, $4,850, Paso Robles, California. This 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a solid project car with classic early 60s styling. It is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows about 30,000 miles, though it is unverified. It features a two-tone blue exterior and a very clean interior. The car runs and is mechanically complete but needs some work. Some parts have been removed but are included, along with new components. The body is mostly solid with minor rust and will need rear right metal repair. Clean title, making it a great entry-level restoration. Number 2. 1986 Chevrolet Suburban 2500, $7,200, San Mateo, California. This 1986 Chevrolet Suburban 2500 is an original full-size sport utility vehicle powered by a 7.4-liter 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has 156,000 original miles and has been well maintained. It runs excellent with no known issues, has passed emissions, and has current registration. It has never been used for heavy towing and has no accident history. All electrical features work properly, a clean and increasingly rare classic sport utility vehicle. Number 3. 1973 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe, $7,100, Gilroy, California. This 1973 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Coupe is a stylish European classic with a rebuilt engine and manual transmission. It runs well but needs cosmetic work. The structure is solid with good floors, though it has an older front-end dent. The interior needs attention, but the headliner is in good shape. With a salvage title, it is best suited as a budget project or weekend cruiser. Number 4. 1966 Chrysler 300 two-door, $9,500, Wamego, Kansas. This 1966 Chrysler 300 is an original survivor powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. It shows 57,347 miles. The paint has faded into a patina while the body remains solid. The interior shows wear but is original. It has several mechanical updates including carburetor, exhaust, brakes, and tires. Clean title and runs well, ideal for light restoration. Number 5. 1969 Cadillac Brougham, $6,200, Loma Linda, California. This 1969 Cadillac Brougham is a classic luxury cruiser with a repaint completed 3 years ago. It has a newer engine with less than 3,000 miles and runs strong. The interior needs work, making it a light project. With a clean title and good mechanical condition, it is a solid option for a classic Cadillac with minor cosmetic needs. Number 6. 1965 Oldsmobile 98 Luxury Sedan, $10,000, Gilbert, Arizona. This 1965 Oldsmobile 98 luxury sedan is powered by a 425 cubic inch Super Rocket V8 engine with automatic transmission. It is an original survivor and a solid driver. The odometer shows 35,808 miles, though actual mileage is unknown. It is rust-free with new tires and belts. A Holley carburetor is installed with original parts included. A clean and well-preserved full-size cruiser. Number 7. 1967 Chrysler Newport Convertible, $13,000, San Francisco, California. This 1967 Chrysler Newport Convertible is a well-maintained California car with long-term ownership. It is powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has been regularly serviced and mostly driven on short trips. Despite odometer rollover, it remains in good condition. Clean title and a great classic convertible for cruising. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette L82 25th Anniversary, $14,500, Chandler, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette is a special 25th Anniversary edition equipped with the desirable L82 5.7-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 55,000 original miles, it stands as a well-preserved example of late 70s American sports car design. The car has been owned by the seller for over 16 years and remains in excellent condition. It runs and drives well with an upgraded air conditioning system using modern refrigerant. Always kept in dry climates such as Arizona and Los Angeles, it has avoided the rust issues common in other regions. As a second-owner vehicle with originality and reliability, this Corvette is a strong candidate for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a classic sports car with historical significance. Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet Impala two-door coupe, $21,000, Visalia, California. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala two-door coupe is an iconic American classic with strong collector appeal. Powered by a 327 cubic inch small block V8 engine, it runs exceptionally well with no mechanical issues reported. The car is largely original, but currently in need of paint and minor finishing work. Some trim and parts have been removed in preparation for restoration, though many original components and additional parts are included. These extras, along with custom upgrades such as polished aluminum pulleys, chrome components, and a custom exhaust, add value. The body is described as solid for its age, making it a great foundation for a full restoration. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this Impala is a high-potential project for serious enthusiasts. Number 10. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible, $12,000, Yorba Linda, California. This 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 Convertible features a rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 engine with performance upgrades and a 5-speed manual transmission. It includes new brakes, fresh paint, and new tires. The convertible top works, and the car has a lowered stance with custom wheels. A unique and enjoyable classic driver with strong performance.